Glory Outreach Assembly, Goa, on Sunday held the Rollball tournament at Kasarani Indoors Arena. The organization has been so supportive in the sporting sector as a way of capturing the young people and curbing drug abuse menace, which has been so rampant in the country. 6 men's team, 6 ladies teams and 3 junior teams took part in the tournament. Rollball success on the global stage recently has continued to attract more and younger people to the sport. Here are the details.
Rollball is an emerging sport in Kenya. Its success on the global stage recently has attracted more and more young people in Kenyan schools to engage in the sport, thus contributing to its growth. This year, the Kenya men and women rollball team won the Rollball World Cup in India despite arriving late due to visa issues. On Sunday, Glory Outreach Assemblies Goa, a church in Nairobi, held a men, women and junior rollball tournament at Kasarani Indoors Arena as a way to support the society and capture young people into sports. The tournament consisted of 6 men's teams, 5 ladies team and 3 junior teams. Team Reke went on a tough encounter with the Goa men's team as they crushed SPU 3-0 on the men's side. Phoenix won the title as the ladies Goa team won on the senior categories. Martin Abunde, coach of Goa rollball team and Kenya national ladies team, noted the presence of junior teams in the rollball community is an assurance of the game's continuity and development.
Kwa majina naitwa Martin Abunde. Mimi ndio mkufunzi wa GOA Rollball Club na Kenya ladies team. Kweli bila hizi junior team hakuna continuity. Tuko na junior team, kuna department ya juniors kwa federation ile na deal na development ya game, na pia hapo ndio ma juniors wamekuja. Though kuna team zingine hazijafika, but tunajua the next edition teams zita.
Joseph Aluhala, the Areke player, expressed his gratitude as one of the rollball players in the country, terming passion as what drives him.
Majina yangu ni Joseph Aluhala. Mimi ni mchezaji wa rollball katika timu ya Reke. Sisi tunapenda sana mchezo wa rollball. Wenyewe tunatoka mbalimbali. Hata leo hivi kuna wale ambao wametoka kule Embu, wengine wametoka kule Nyeri ili kuja kucheza, ni wana klabu wetu. Sisi tumeweza kuchagua wachezaji kutoka pale tofauti hapa Kenya. Na tunafurahi kuwa tumepata nafasi kucheza mchezo.
Paul Mwangi, the director of Glory Outreach Assemblies, explained the whole agenda of holding the rollball tournament and their continued support to sporting activities in the country.
My name is Paul Mwangi, GOA Sports Coordinator. So generally GOA is a ministry that focuses on the young people. We know that the young people have a lot of energy, a lot of time, limited resources. So ours is to creatively bring and engage these young people. And sports is one thing that we believe in as a tool for changing and impacting lives. So we use sports to discover, to develop, and to deploy talents. And the main aim of planning the GOA tournament is just to engage the young people.
Paul, who doubles up as the president of floorball in the country, also took the opportunity to call upon the government to support the Floorball Federation as they are preparing to take part in the African Club Championship in Ivory Coast next month.
So I want to thank the government for what they are doing. We have seen the efforts. We have seen them, coming on board and supporting people like the rollball. But we still have a challenge with the new sports. Right now, the Kenya Floorball Federation is looking at taking the team for the African Cup, and they are yet to be supported. So we are asking the government to, remember the young sports that are there. We cannot all fit in these big sports.
Mr. Karani Waruhio, the treasurer of Rollball Federation, termed rollball's potential as so high, expressing his gratitude for being part of the managerial staff of the World Cup winners both in men and women teams. Waruhio thanked the ministry for the recognition as they were part of the sports people awarded over the weekend by the Ministry of Sport, adding that their continuing partnership with the ministry will help promote and grow the game in the country.
Mimi naitwa Karani Waruhio. Mimi ndio treasurer wa Kenya Rollball Federation. Hiyo recognition imetupea kipaumbele sana. By the way, wacha nitaje kitu kidogo. Mimi ndio nilikuwa team manager wa hiyo team na naringia that legacy ya kwamba tumeweza kuleta kikombe cha dunia pande ya wanawake, pande ya vijana, na going forward we are expecting that tutaweza ku maintain.